The Book of Exodus, Chapter 17. All the congregation of the children of Israel traveled from the wilderness of Sin according to the Lord's commandment, and encamped in Rephidim. But there was no water for the people to drink. Therefore the people quarreled with Moses and said, "Give us water to drink." Moses said to them, "Why do you quarrel with me? Why do you test the Lord?" The people thirsted there for water, and they murmured against Moses, saying, "Why have you brought us up out of Egypt to kill us, our children, and our livestock with thirst?" So Moses cried to the Lord, saying, "What shall I do with this people? They are almost ready to stone me." And the Lord said to Moses, "Walk on before the people, and take with you the elders of Israel. Take in your hand the rod with which you struck the Nile, and go. Behold, I will stand before you there upon the rock in Horeb. You shall strike the rock, and water will come out of it, that the people may drink." And Moses did so in the sight of the elders of Israel. He called the name of the place Massah and Meribah, because the children of Israel quarreled, and because they tested the Lord, saying, "Is the Lord among us, or not?" Then Amalek came and fought with Israel in Rephidim. Moses said to Joshua, "Choose men for us, and go out to fight with Amalek. Tomorrow I will stand on the top of the hill with God's rod in my hand." So Joshua did as Moses had told him, and fought with Amalek. And Moses, Aaron, and Hur went up to the top of the hill. When Moses held up his hand, Israel prevailed, and when he let down his hand, Amalek prevailed. But Moses' hands became heavy. So they took a stone and put it under him, and he sat on it. Aaron and Hur held up his hands, one on one side, and the other on the other side. And his hands remained steady until sunset. So Joshua defeated Amalek and his people with the edge of the sword. Then the Lord said to Moses, "Write this for a memorial in a book, and rehearse it in the ears of Joshua. For I will utterly blot out the memory of Amalek from under heaven." And Moses built an altar and called its name, "The Lord is my banner." For he said, "The Lord has sworn, the Lord will have war with Amalek from generation to generation."